In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify Faceit account. Now, all you have to do is to open up Faceit website. Go ahead, click on it. So if you don't have already an account, just go ahead, sign up. Or if you have an account, just click on login. In my case, I am going to create an account. So after that, you are going to go ahead, verify that you are human, and then just select your email and you will be good to go. So now you will choose the game. Make sure to choose Counter-Strike 2 because it is the only one that makes you verify the account. So go ahead, click at your profile at the top right, then click on Faceit Verified. So as you can see here, it's only available for OW2 and Counter-Strike 2 games. So go ahead, connect Counter-Strike 2 by connection your Steam that has your Counter-Strike, and after you do that, you will be verified. As always, thank you for watching.